The Long March 8A marks a leap in China's space launch capabilities, designed for the booming commercial satellite market. As part of the Long March family, it's engineered for efficiency and reliability, enabling frequent, cost-effective access to space. Its main mission: deploying constellations of satellites, especially for communications and Earth observation, with a focus on sun-synchronous orbits. Ride-sharing capabilities allow it to launch multiple satellites at once, making it ideal for building large networks quickly and economically. Recent missions like the DROL Lunar Communications Test and the deployment of remote sensing satellites showcase its operational readiness. Each successful launch builds confidence and paves the way for more ambitious projects, including vast internet constellations. The Long March 8A arrives as global demand for launch services soars, with thousands of satellites planned for internet, observation, and research. China positions this rocket as a reliable, competitive option in the international market, signaling a shift toward commercial space services. It's not just hardware, it's a tool for economic and strategic influence in the 21st century. The Long March 8A is central to China's vision of connecting the world from space. Its success is reshaping the global space industry. The Long March 8A is a two-stage rocket, with optional solid boosters for heavier payloads. It uses proven technologies: YF-100 engines on the first stage, liquid oxygen and kerosene, and YF-75 engines on the second, liquid hydrogen and oxygen. This combination delivers high thrust, efficiency, and cleaner operations compared to older fuels. Advanced guidance and control systems ensure precise satellite placement, crucial for building constellations. While current versions are expendable, the design anticipates future reusability with plans for controlled landings and recovery. Standard payload about 5 metric tons to sun-synchronous orbit, perfect for batches of small or medium satellites. A spacious payload fairing allows for flexible missions, from single large satellites to entire constellations. The Long March 8A's blend of capacity, precision, and future reusability makes it a versatile, forward-looking launch vehicle. It's tailored for the commercial market, serving both domestic and international clients. This rocket is a cornerstone of China's expanding space ambitions. China's Guowang project aims to deploy nearly 13,000 satellites for global broadband, using the Long March 8A as its workhorse. Each launch is part of a carefully coordinated campaign, populating specific orbits to create a seamless web of connectivity. The rocket's ability to deliver multiple satellites per mission accelerates the build-out of this massive network. Launch cadence is set to increase, with the Long March 8A carrying a significant share of the constellation. The strategy involves layering satellites at different altitudes and inclinations for robust, global coverage. Early launches target key regions, with later missions expanding service worldwide. This systematic approach requires precise timing and coordination, both in space and on the ground. Guowang reduces reliance on foreign systems, asserting China's control over critical infrastructure. Each successful launch demonstrates China's growing industrial and technological capacity in space. Beyond internet, Long March rockets are launching constellations like PSAT-1, a commercial radar imaging system. PSAT-1's synthetic aperture radar can see through clouds and darkness, providing reliable, high-resolution Earth imagery. Applications range from agriculture and disaster management to urban planning and infrastructure monitoring. The ability to launch multiple satellites at once, as with PSAT-1, highlights the efficiency of the Long March 8 series. These missions show China's space infrastructure is not just about communications, but also robust Earth observation. Private companies are now major players, creating new markets for space-based data and analytics. The Long March 8A enables this new space economy, bringing advanced technologies to market. It's a launchpad for innovation, supporting industries from finance to environmental protection. China's launch capabilities are powering a new era of commercial and scientific space activity. Large satellite constellations, launched by rockets like the Long March 8A, could transform global internet access. Billions in remote or underserved areas may soon have reliable, high-speed connectivity, no cables or towers required. The Guowang network will compete with other LEO constellations, driving down prices and improving service worldwide. For many, this means access to education, telehealth, and new economic opportunities. The impact extends to national economies, enabling digital growth and innovation. But thousands of satellites also raise concerns: space debris, collision risks, and interference with astronomy. International cooperation and space traffic management are essential to keep orbits safe and sustainable. Despite challenges, the digital frontier is expanding rapidly. For China, Guowang is a pillar of its digital Silk Road, boosting technological influence and market reach. The Long March 8A is launching not just satellites, but a new era of global connectivity. Reusability is a top goal for the Long March 8 family, with plans for recoverable first stages using grid fins and variable thrust engines. Controlled sea landings, inspired by SpaceX, could slash launch costs and boost frequency. This is vital for deploying and maintaining massive constellations like Guowang. The rocket's engines, YF-100 and YF-75, are among China's most advanced, offering more power, efficiency, and cleaner operation. Lightweight composite structures and automated avionics further enhance performance and reliability. These innovations are part of a broader national push to master key space technologies. Lessons from the Long March 8A's development will inform future rockets, including super heavy lift vehicles for lunar and Mars missions. Each launch provides data to refine designs and improve systems. The Long March 8A is a crucial testbed for China's next generation of spaceflight. It's paving the way for a sustainable high-cadence launch system. This rocket is a stepping stone to China's future in deep space. The Long March 8A is central to China's long-term space vision, spanning science, security, and economic growth. China's achievements include its own space station, lunar and Mars landings, and a growing astronaut corps. The Tiangong station is a hub for research and training, while plans for a lunar base with international partners are underway. Commercial launches like Long March 8A aim to capture a share of the global space market. Projects like Guowang and PSAT-1 generate new revenue and critical data for China's economy. Space technology drives innovation in AI, materials, and manufacturing, with benefits reaching far beyond orbit. China's methodical step-by-step approach is building a comprehensive, independent space capability. The ultimate goal established China as a top-tier space power, from low Earth orbit to the outer solar system. China's rapid space progress, led by the Long March 8A, is reshaping global geopolitics. A new era of space competition is emerging, especially between the US and China, driven by both economic and strategic interests. Both nations are racing to develop reusable rockets, advanced satellites, and ambitious Moon and Mars missions. This rivalry accelerates innovation and lowers costs, but also risks misunderstandings and an arms race in space. Clear rules and communication are vital to keep space peaceful. Despite competition, opportunities for collaboration exist. International partnerships can share costs and foster goodwill. China's International Lunar Research Station is open to global participation, inviting countries and organizations to join. Scientific cooperation, like sharing satellite data, can transcend politics and benefit all humanity. The future of space will blend competition and collaboration, with multiple players shaping a dynamic, resilient ecosystem. The Long March 8A is part of this multipolar space landscape, opening the frontier to more nations and people. The next chapter in space will be defined by both rivalry and shared discovery. The Long March 8A is more than a rocket. It's a symbol of China's new era in space. Its design, focused on cost, reliability, and reusability, meets the demands of the modern space economy. By enabling rapid satellite deployment, it's key to China's global internet ambitions and commercial growth. The rocket bridges proven tech with next-gen reusability, setting the stage for future breakthroughs. Its missions promise to connect remote regions, drive economic development, and close the digital divide. But they also highlight the need for sustainable space practices and international cooperation. The Long March 8A is helping China become a top-tier space power, shaping the future of global connectivity and exploration. Today's launches are building the foundation for tomorrow's interconnected world.